take a look at this 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross. At first glance, you'll say, this isn't an ordinary Cross. Blue color, black roof, the lights, everything is different. Let's look at what's inside, and at the end, the performance part will surprise you a lot. Hello friends, welcome to Vortex Rev. Today we're looking at the 2027 Corolla Cross. Let's start from the back. Those long, thin LED lights connect the entire rear together, looking very stylish. Black diffuser, dual exhaust, wide wheel arches, all give it a sporty feel. In the front, the lights have a very thin and sharp design, creating an almost futuristic look. Black grille, black mirrors, black roof. Combined with the blue color, it creates a beautiful contrast. From the side, the body lines look more coupe-like, sharper. The black rims complete the whole look. When you open the door, you feel it's not basic inside. Black leather seats with blue stitching, a small detail, but it completely changes the look. The steering wheel, dashboard, console, all clean and modern. In front of you, there's a large digital screen, no trace of old analog dials. In the center, there's also a big touchscreen, basically the brain of the car. The back seats are also more comfortable than expected. Good legroom, air vents, and even rear climate control. For a car this size, that's a great level of comfort. The screen doesn't just show navigation, the whole system runs faster and more like a smartphone. On the safety side, Toyota Safety Sense comes standard. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, collision avoidance, and so on. So the car watches along with you. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work wirelessly. There are USB-C ports, and the sound system isn't bad either. Now the main issue, performance. There's a new hybrid system, and it's not just about fuel economy. In the city, it runs almost silently. The electric motor does most of the work, and the gasoline engine kicks in when needed. On the road, both acceleration and stability are good. Now the question, how does this car compare to its rivals? Compared to cars like the Hyundai Tucson, Mazda CX-30, Honda HR-V, the Corolla Cross looks bolder in design, higher quality inside, and more efficient in hybrid form. Some rivals may offer more space or a cheaper price, but in terms of the overall package, the Corolla Cross looks strong. What do you think? Do you like this new design, or was the old model better? Write in the comments, let's see.